Hello friends, today we are going to make chickpea salad. I have all the ingredients ready. Chickpea, yellow pepper, tomato, onion, avocado, olives, fresh basil from our garden. Let's add everything into this bowl. Chickpea. This chickpea is not the canned one. I cooked it in the pressure cooker. Yellow pepper, tomato. You can always use the cherry tomatoes. Onion, avocado, fresh basil from our garden, olives, black pepper and ground cumin. Let's mix them all. We can make the salad dressing now. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt. You can add the salt over the salad also. Let's mix everything together. I'm missing one ingredient, that is the cucumber. Let's add the salad dressing. Now we can mix everything well.